Hi, this is pre-recorded. This is pre-recorded so that I'm a little froggy because of juniper and ragweed. So, okay. Anyway, pre-recorded so that I can take my husband to clinic. Anyway, let's go to the desktop. And what we're gonna do is Blessings of Home. When we were on stage, this is what we made some cards from. And I'm going to show you a card. Okay, so it's classic matte dots, the denim ribbon, and this is very soft. Blessings of Home. You can see there's plenty of sentiments and just two floral. And I'm gonna use this one. But there's also dies that come with it. And these two work with these two. And then there's all these sprays and little flowers. And it comes with, sorry, that was my Christmas card. It comes with Heart and Home paper. So let's take a look at that. On the back is wood. There's all different kinds of wood. So that's the front and back. And I've already shown you this. There's very pretty papers in here. Oh crap, I didn't turn on my light. So this is the paper. And that. And that. And that. Let me turn on my light. Sorry. Okay, so these are the cards that we made. Let's get in here close. So this is like a short card. And this one is a regular size card, as well as this one. And we didn't put anything inside. We just made these three and on stage. So let's get on with, I'm sorry, my My voice is rather shaky. Okay, so we're going to put this on here. Oh. And it's going to have like a 1/8 inch border. And I did this because it wouldn't stand out. So what I did was I traced around the flower, and then I cut out just around the border. So now I'm going to get rid of the line. Easy enough. And then I'm going to stick this down. On here, it's not going to have a very even border because I'm not good at cutting. I'm sorry, my froggy voice. I'm not good at cutting around that. And then we're going to put, oh, wait, we need to stamp the sentiment, and we're going to do it in tuxedo black. I'm making sure that the black is sticking. And then we're going to run it through. Ooh, you probably need to. I'm very sorry about the shaky voice. I'm just going to run it through. I've centered it. And it's very easy to use this machine. I like how it's compact and goes traveling with me. Okay, so I'm using the, where is it? Oh my goodness. I'm using the Posies. I'm very sorry. I don't know what happened to the stamp set. Anyway, we're going to put this on here, and then we're going to put this ribbon on. Oh, my. You want it to have the ribbon a little bit longer. And then we're going to put this up on dimensionals. Actually, gonna put that one in the trash. And I have a 1/8 inch border going around this. Oh, well, not so much. It's a handmade card. And then I'm gonna pop this up on dimensionals as well. And that's why I didn't put any dimensionals in the middle, so that it can go through the mail. And I colored this, I colored this with markers, Old Olive and pop of pink. I do need to make it I need to make sure that that is not pushing over. And then I'm going to use glue dots to adhere my bow. And I'm going to put it right here. And I always use 2 glue dots. And you can pull your tails down so that they're not over the sentiment. And that's the card today. Let's get all of this out of the way. So those are the 4 cards that we made. 3 of these were on stage, and I made this one for you. So you have a blessed week and have a great day. Use my December host code when you order. And this will be available in the January and June, I'm sorry, January and June mini catalog. Thank you for joining me. Have a great day.